Do you want to create a stunning video like this? Or this? Creating a video where the footage is placed within the text is a very popular effect. Creating the video in text effect was once a daunting task, as you needed to learn and use conventional, heavy-duty video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Not anymore. With Typito, you can create a jaw-dropping video with the video in text effect in 5 easy steps, even if you have limited or no video editing skills. With its easy drag-and-drop video editing experience, Typito lets you create engaging videos with text. Video inside text videos are a great way to captivate your audience. It is best to use this style of videos in intros and outros of your video in order for it to stand out. Let's see how you can use Typito to place a video within the text. Step 1. Create a new project on typito.com. Select the right format for your video. A square if it is meant for Instagram, or a square letterbox when it comes to Facebook. For this project, I choose 16:9 format best suited for YouTube, followed by uploading the video you want to use as your background. The next step would be to go to typito.com/templates, Typito's template gallery. Go to the search bar and type in stencil. This search reveals 4 different options of stencil templates. These are text templates that support placing videos within them. We choose this one, the music stencil. When you click on it, you will be led to the template showcase page. This is where you can preview how the template will look in your video project. This looks pretty good. Next, we click Save. Shall we move on to Step 3? Step 3. Move back to your project and refresh. The Save template will appear in your saved menu. Click it to add to the timeline. Adjust the template according to your requirements, placed in the center or over the entire screen. The template placement and sizing is completely customizable according to your requirements. Step 4. A crucial part of the process is choosing the right word or sentence to add to the stencil. A key aspect to keep in mind is to make sure that the word, as well as the video and the background, complement each other. Change the color of the stencil to a color that is easily seen and a good contrast to the video in the background. If you want the background video to be seen, decrease the opacity of the template like so. The duration of the template can also be adjusted in the timeline by dragging the markers to the position and duration that you choose. I also add in the animations I want, just to add a little flair. Step 5. Give it a quick preview. If you like the way it looks, click Export. Preview the file one last time before you click Download. And you are done. An amazing looking video with a video in text effect in just a few minutes. I hope you are as impressed as I am. Liked the video? Try out Typito the next time you need to edit amazing looking videos for your social media. Try it for free by clicking the link in the description and subscribe to our YouTube channel for actionable tips to design professional looking videos on your own.